Hey guys, guess what? Irish whiskey is back, and today on Let's Talk Drinks, we're going to talk about Teeling Single Malt. Hi guys, welcome back. So Irish whiskey has gone through a pretty tough time over the last few hundred years. It is back though. In the last 20 years, there has been a resurgence of, small craft distillers. Even the big distillers are starting to play around and doing different expressions. And it's super exciting. And today we're going to talk about Teeling Single Malt. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video on Irish whiskey and its history. Teeling's been around since about 2015, and since it came out, it has always been on the back bar at my bars. Big shout out to Martin Lynch, who's one of the Teeling guys here in Australia. He's back home at the moment. We are in the middle of COVID. We're in a lockdown here in Geelong and Melbourne in Australia, so I'm filming videos for the next couple of weeks, hopefully from home. We don't know when we're going to open again, but look, let's drink heaps of great whiskey, do a few reviews, and hopefully get a few more subscribers. So guys, please, if you like this video, at the end, like, subscribe, and I better get on to the video, hey? So as I said, it's been around since 2015. It's made in Dublin at the Cooley Distillery. Now, from what I've been told, the father of the owners or the founders of Teeling, John Teeling, opened the Cooley Distillery, I think back in 1987. I hope that is right. I'm sure that I'll find out soon if I'm not. It's 46% ABV, which is a great ABV. It really brings out that flavor. It's non-chill filtered and has no coloring added. It's also aged in 5 different wine casks: sherry, port, Madeira, white Burgundy, and Cabernet Sauvignon. It's a single malt whiskey, 100% malted barley. So enough chat, let's give it a try. So it's not very dark in color. However, there's nothing wrong with that. These guys aren't using any coloring, so don't always be fooled that if it's dark, it means that it's older, because most of the times, not most, but a lot of the times it isn't. Gonna give it a nose. I really get tropical fruits, get this sort of honeydew melon sort of sweetness. I've been told that's from the white Burgundy casks. It's very fruity, a little bit of green apple, little bit of sort of sweetness there as well, but no burn, like no ethanol burn for me whatsoever. I can easily sniff that, which normally I don't fully as the way I just did there, but no burn at all at 46%. That's really great. We'll give it a taste. I don't really get much of a burn, as I said before, with the nosing. I get sort of dried red berries, tropical fruit, a little bit of pear, a little bit sort of apple. It's actually really delightful. Not that I use that word very often, but I enjoy it. This is probably my favorite from the Teelings, followed, I guess, by the small batch. But it's one of those whiskeys, once again, like some of the other reviews that I've said, that it's easy for me to recommend to my friends or to customers, and I always get great response from them. As far as the finish goes, really nice warming feeling as it goes down. It's got a little bit of length there, probably a medium, not super oily for me. It's really good. I enjoy it. This for me would make a perfect digestive after having some great dinner. Just sit back, enjoy it, sip. As far as cocktails, I haven't used it a lot in cocktails, only because I love it how it is, and I guess I don't really think that I need to add anything to it. If I was going to, like I normally say, an old-fashioned, maybe a Rob Roy. I'm not sure how it would go in a whiskey sour or anything like that. Drink it neat, or drink it on some ice, add a little bit of water. That's probably the best way that I would suggest drinking it. Guys, if you haven't tried it, go out, give it a try. I wholeheartedly recommend it, and please like, subscribe, let me know what you think if you try it. Go out and buy a bottle and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.